Hello students, welcome all. Our today's topic is velocity. So let's start. Velocity. Friends, many times we use the word velocity. Okay. Where we use the velocity? Examples. The light travels with a constant velocity. The velocity of the car has decreased. The wind is traveling with a velocity of 30 km per hour towards the east. Okay. So in these situations, we use the word velocity. So, what actually velocity is? So, today we will discuss velocity. Let's see.
In this picture, you can see a girl. The girl is simply walking. Okay, she is in motion. Now, the speed of the girl is given. Okay, the speed of the girl is 1 meter per second. In every second, she is traveling 1 meter. Okay. We know that the girl is traveling with a speed of 1 meter per second. But can you tell me in which direction she is traveling? Can you tell me in which direction she is traveling? Yes, we can guess she is traveling in a straight direction, means she is traveling towards right. Okay, what is the thing that gives us the information regarding the speed and the direction of an object? Yes, that is velocity. Okay, velocity will give us the information about the speed as well as the direction of an moving object. Okay, so what is velocity? We can say that the velocity of a girl is 1 meter per second in the west direction. Okay, 1 meter per second in the west is the velocity. Means velocity is giving us the information about the speed of the girl and also the direction in which she is traveling. The girl is traveling in the west direction with a speed of 1 meter per second. So this is velocity. The term which gives us the information about the speed as well as the direction is the velocity. So, velocity, speed plus direction is velocity. Now, speed in a particular direction is called as velocity, or the ratio of displacement and the time interval by an object in motion is the velocity. It is the ratio of displacement and the time travel by an object in motion. Now displacement, we have in the earlier video we have discussed displacement. Okay, what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance covered by an object with respect to the direction. This is the displacement. Okay, so if we have to calculate the velocity, then we can calculate the velocity with the help of the formula displacement by time. Okay, the formula for speed is distance upon time, but velocity displacement upon time. Okay, velocity is a वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. वेलोसिटी क्या है? एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है. वाई वेक्टर क्वांटिटी? बिकॉज विथ मैग्नीट्यूड वी आर ऑल्सो स्टेटिंग द डायरेक्शन. मैग्नीट्यूड के साथ हम डायरेक्शन भी स्टेट कर रहे हैं. 1 मीटर पर सेकंड इस मैग्नीट्यूड के साथ साथ हम इन वेस्ट डायरेक्शन ये भी स्टेट कर रहे हैं. ओके, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ वेलोसिटी इज meter per second. Okay, to understand velocity, let's take one example. In this picture, okay, you can see a house and an amusement park. Your family members has decided to go to a amusement park for a picnic. Okay, so in order to reach there, now you have two options. Means you have two options, means you can travel through road 1 or you can travel through road 2. Okay, if you are traveling through road 1, you will have to cover the distance of 20 kilometers. If you are traveling through the road 2, you have to travel a distance of 30 kilometers. Okay, these are your two options. Now, here tell me which road you will choose. Yes, definitely you will choose the road 1 because through road 1 you have to travel only a distance of 20 kilometers and you will reach there soon. Okay. If we talk regarding the distance and displacement, okay, so looking at the picture, if you are traveling through the road 2 means your total distance you have traveled is 30 kilometers, but if we see your displacement it is 20 kilometers. Okay, so 30 kilometers is the total distance, and what is the displacement? That is the shortest distance is 20 kilometers. So would be the velocity? Velocity is displacement upon time. So displacement is 20 kilometers east divided by 4 hours. The answer is 5 km per hour east. This 5 km per hour east is your velocity. Which two things we can, what information we are getting here? We can say that you are traveling with a speed of 5 km per hour in the east direction. The amusement park is in your east direction. Okay, so this is velocity. Distance plus direction is velocity. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you.